If you're worried about how much you need to save up for retirement to enjoy the lifestyle you've always wanted, well, you're in the right place and this video is for you. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to reveal a super simple method to calculate exactly how much money you'll need in retirement without having to do any complex math. All you need is a pen, paper, and basic calculator along with your computer. So get those together because I'm about to break it down for you step by step. So first, we'll start with what might seem familiar, your monthly expenses. So think about your food, utilities, rent, mortgage, insurances, travel, and even those dinners out. Jot them all down and add them up, and let's say that totals $7,000 a month. Step 2 is to take your monthly expenses and multiply them by 12 to annualize the number. So simple math, 7,000 times 12 equals $84,000 a year. Step 3, and here comes the magic part, which is the 4% rule. So this rule suggests you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings each year during retirement. So if you're aiming for $84,000 a year in annual expenses, divide that by 0.04, and what do you get? $2.1 million. That's the amount you'll need to have saved up when you retire to enjoy your desired lifestyle. Step 4 is how many years until you want to retire. So let's say that's 10 years for this example. Step 5 is we need to adjust that $2.1 million for inflation because prices don't stay the same over time. Let's assume a 3% inflation rate and calculate the future value of your savings. Now don't worry, I'll show you how to do this with a simple online tool. So we'll hop over to Google and type in future value calculator, and we'll click the first one here. And so here we go, number of periods. So this is 10 for 10 years that we have until retirement. Our starting amount will be 2.1 million. We'll add a 0 there. 2.1 million. Interest rate, that's going to be our inflation rate at 3%. And periodic deposit will be 0 because we're not adding any money. Click calculate. And so here we go. So this comes out to $2.8 million. And just like that, you'll discover how much you need to retire comfortably, which for this example, again, would be $2.8 million. But remember, this is just the beginning. There are more factors to consider, and I've got a follow-up video that dives deep into those, complete with a real-life case study. So to watch that video, click here and learn how you can secure your financial future.